Before we start, we want to show a video about life insurance, so let's watch.
While nobody likes to talk about it, death is an unavoidable reality. While we can't stop it from happening, we can make sure the people we love the most are always protected and covered financially. Our spectrum of life insurance policies can be easily tailored to align with your family's needs. No two families are the same, after all. With us, there's no waiting period and no medical exams required. We also have some of the lowest monthly rates in the industry. Our policies are easy to understand. All you need to do is answer a few easy health questions, and you're ready to live your life, stress-free. Peace of mind for you and your family is just a click away, with life insurance that fits your budgets.
What is insurance? Insurance is a way to manage your risk. When you buy insurance, you purchase protection against unexpected financial losses. The insurance company pays you or someone you choose if something bad happens to you. If you have no insurance and an accident happens, you may be responsible for all related costs. Having the right insurance for the risks you may face can make a big difference in your life. An insurance policy is a written contract between the policyholder, the person or company that gets the policy, and the insurer, the insurance company. Imagine you are driving your car and you hit a deer which damages your car. If you have the right kind of auto insurance policy, the insurance company will pay the cost of the car repairs. Now, imagine a water pipe bursts in your bathroom, ruining everything in that room and in the bedroom next to it. Typically, if you have homeowners or renters insurance, the insurance company will pay to replace some of all of the damaged property once you pay your deductible. Insurance policies will only pay for things that are described in the policy. So it's important to read a policy carefully before you buy it, so you will know exactly what's covered.
A life insurance policy pays out a certain amount as a death benefit in the case of policyholder's death, ensuring financial security for the covered family. As a result, life insurance functions as a shield, ensuring that the insured's family's ambitions and aspirations are not harmed even if he or she is no longer alive. You don't have to be concerned about how to fund your needs in the event of an accident or disability, nor do you have to be concerned about your family's future when you pass away. With insurance, it will help us in medical emergency cases where we can get covered by the insurance company if we encounter certain events. Consequently, we will feel calm and relieved to settle the problem encountered. Thus, we can focus more on the other crucial matters. Insurance is one of the sectors that has a significant influence on how business develop, how individuals think about economics, and how the world evolves. This is because they contribute to the steady operation of the global economy by paying insurance claims and are regarded as one of the safest investments available. For example, economic growth is driven from the premium taxes collected by the government from the insurance companies as a technique of generating revenue that can be used to meet their budgetary needs and promote economic growth.
There are three primary functions of insurance, and the first one is act as a risk transfer mechanism. Insurance acts as a risk transfer mechanism where the insured, in exchange for protection, pays a sum of premium to the insurance company and transfer the responsibility of loss or damage to the insurer. Transferring the risk to an insurer does not in itself prevent losses from occurring, but it provides a form of financial security and peace of mind for the insured. Furthermore, insurance also provides protection. The primary purpose of insurance is to provide protection against future risk, accidents, and uncertainty. Insurance cannot check the happening of the risk, but can certainly provide for the losses of risk. Next is sharing risk. The risk is uncertain, and therefore, the loss arising from the risk is also uncertain. In insurance, all the policyholders pool their risk together. They all pay their premiums, and if one of them suffers financial losses, then the payout comes from this fund. So the risk is shared between all of them. Now, what is indirect function of insurance? Indirect functions of insurance divided into three parts. First is investment of funds, second is invisible exports, and the third part is source of employment. Moving on to the first point, which is investment of funds. Investment of funds is the common pool accumulates large funds which insurers hold as custodians, and they will invest these funds in the public and private sector to earn profit. Next is invisible exports. Invisible exports is where insurance can be commercialized as necessary services by providing protection and ease of mind towards the insured party. This kind of service is improving day by day to provide more benefits to the people while gaining profit. For example, when a local insurer accepts reinsurance business from other countries' insurance company, thus it is generate income to the economy. It can be the same when individuals or companies from foreign country insure in Malaysia. Then Malaysia becomes exporter of insurance services. Last but not least, source of employment. The insurance industry in Malaysia has created various categories of employment opportunities. One of it is insurance agent. There are lots of people who work as insurance agents. They sell and negotiate various types of insurance to match the needs of their clients. This is how insurance functions as a source of employment.
Next, the secondary functions of insurance. Firstly, insurance will release funds otherwise tied up in reserve. With insurance, business enterprises and individuals are able to avoid the necessity of freezing capital to provide financial protection against losses. Insurance provides a means of stabilizing costs involved in managing risk by the payment of premium to get a compensation in the event of an accident or loss. Secondly, insurance also can stimulate business enterprise. For your information, insurance also stimulates business in a number of other ways, such as facilitating property lending by banks and other financial institutions. Thirdly, to reduce fear and worry, insurance provides peace of mind to business enterprises and individuals by removing fears and worries of losses. The removal of fears and worries help to establish confidence and enable forward planning of economic activities. Lastly, encourage saving for us. This is for protection. Insurance acts as a means of committed saving, especially in the case of endowment insurance. The investment element of this type of insurance contract is a form of saving, while the protection provides compensation in the event of death or permanent disablement.
In conclusion, insurance is the risk transfer mechanism made by the company or individual to mitigate their risk against potential losses or uncertainty. It is important for us to know what is covered by each type of insurance and how it works so we all can make the best decision about what to buy. Insurance is vital for the insured as it acts as a financial tool or protection during losses. Insurance is a huge investment and most likely we will buy multiple policies in our lifetime. We should not base our decision only on what is cheapest, but look what is provided. We need to take the time for the best insurance for our need. People usually claim that they cannot afford insurance, yet they cannot afford not to have it. When unforeseen scenarios emerge, it can save hundreds of money in unneeded spending. The right insurance coverage can safeguard us and family from unforeseen tragedies. Without insurance, an individual or company must bear all the financial burdens if any losses happen and lead to the financial crisis and bankruptcy. Did you walk away from this video with information to share with others?